if I tell you that I use a second brain and you can too? This second brain can store all your to-do tasks, your goals, books you want to read, podcasts you need to watch, track your semester, skills, videos, plans, literally everything here. पर मुझे तो लैपटॉप में समझाना था. This is not going to be that over-edited hang wala video. Rather, it is going to be more on the informative side. That how this app named Notion has literally changed my life. A very beginner-friendly tutorial on Notion. Basically an app that helps you to keep track of literally everything of your life. I have been using this app for last 6 months and my productivity has literally increased exponentially. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into my laptop screen. But hold on, you can also use this app in your phone. But to set it up for the first time, to set it up more effectively, PC is more recommended. पर तुम phone में भी कर सकते हो, no issue. Okay, so first of all, go to the Notion website and download the app, Notion app, or you can use the web app like I do. And for Play Store and App Store, you can download it in your phone. So after completing the sign up process, you will see an interface like this, but this is a little bit confusing like this one. Okay, so let me clear you that Notion mainly consists of two things. First one is page, second one is blog. Page is the thing that you will write something on. You will paste pictures, you will paste links, something. And blogs are the most important part that makes Notion so much beautiful. Blogs literally can be anything. It can be your text, it can be list, it can be numbers, it can be links, videos, image, anything, tables, anything. So let me show you one of my Notion page. For example, I'm going to books wala section. Yeah. Let me show you the elements of this. This is the page that I created. How? First of all, this is the title. This one is the title of the page. Okay. This is the icon. This is the channel cover. This is the cover art. Okay. And here is the important block. This whole thing you can see like this. Wait, let me show you. This whole thing you can see, this whole thing is a block, and these are the sub blocks of this part. But what are these? Like, this is the books that I have not even started to read. This is the book that I am currently reading. This is the book that I have already read this year. Whenever I plan to start a book, okay, like mindset, I will put it on in progress because I am currently studying the book. Just hold and drag. Then after the book has already been read by me, then I will hold and drag it to the done section. That's it, simple. Similarly, you can go to the mindset wala section like this. But how can we create this type of thing? How can we create? So currently we're using the Google Keep or our phone notes app, but that doesn't include this type of features. But how can we create that? So before creating this thing, I want to share something that without wasting your time, this whole thing you can create with that template wala section. This templates wala section. Like, templates give you a already made this type of thing that you can modify by yourself, but you don't have to put that extra effort for creating it from the scratch. Like, for example, you go to templates, like you want to create a to-do list. Okay, to-do list. Search is for to-do list. You will get a plenty of option. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, like for $3 for setting up your life. Okay, yeah. This are the plenty options that you will get. A lot of to-do lists created by other creators. Okay, like for example, let me choose a simple one like this. This is the most simple one I can see. This is also the thing that I have choose. This is the most simple one. Like, how can you use this template on your own? So click on this. You can preview how it will look on your Notion app like this. This is the icon, this is the page, this is the things. You can modify, and to add it to yourself, to modify it by yourself, you have to add it to your own workspace. So add to my own workspace, add to private, done. But where it is, I can see it. Go to this more wala section, under your private, more wala section. Sorry, cross it. This is the template. This is the template that we have recently downloaded. Go to this one, like this, and let's modify it. You can change the name, like I want to create my weekly plan. Now let's modify it. Let's change the icon. You can add any icon. These are the icons they are had. You can add your own emojis like this one. You can add icons already made, or you can upload your PNG file. For now, let it keep to the recent one. This, you can choose the color blue. Okay, done. Now let's go with that cover wala thing. Add cover. ये क्या डाल दिया? Change cover. You can choose from these photos. You can upload your own. You can paste a Google link, or you can give from this stock images, like give time. Okay, time, this stopwatch wala thing. Okay, done. This is the already made template that we are modifying. Now these are the things. This you can create your own task, like I will wake up at 6 a.m. Then you can click on this. I will work out, then go to this. I will code. You can add your own, not only 3 tasks you will be doing all the day. You can press the enter key, a new to-do list will be added, like I will do my lunch. Likewise, you can do for all the Tuesday, Wednesday, everything. But what are the blocks that we are talking about? Like, let me show you. After going to any of this text, you can see 2 options hovering up. Going to this, you can get 2 options hovering up. One is a plus icon and one is the 6 dots. But what are this? Plus icon means whenever you go to a section and you get a plus icon to this, after clicking that, we will get a lot of options like text, a page, a new page to this, a to-do list, a heading, anything. Means a new thing will be added under this section. Like, let me show you. Monday is itself a section. Now, after clicking on the plus icon, which is being created under the Monday wala section, I want to create a quote. This quote is being created under the Monday wala section, right? Quote क्या दूँ? जिंदगी ना मिले दोबारा. Quote ये किसका quote था? Okay, this section is created under the Monday wala section. Okay, under Monday you are creating another page, like for example day, night, etc. And that day page, after clicking on that day page, you will be redirected to that day wala section, a completely new page. Likewise, we do in links, that this website, this is the website. In this website, I am seeing a link hovering up. I will click on this YouTube wala link and it will redirect me to another website, which is YouTube. This redirect wala thing is being created by this one. Okay, you can add anything, not only text. You can add bulleted list, number list, anything like images, your audio, video, even your code, C++, anything, your own file like PDF files, documents files, Excel files, anything. Also create this database. I will create a separate video on this database wala thing. Okay, but for now, understand that this database wala thing is more data purpose. Like you want to create a chart, you want to create Wait, let me show you. You want to create this type of things. Wait, this is the content planner of mine, like this one. This one itself is a table. Like this are the list. This is the video topic. These are the tags, how type of video it is, attributes, what you say. This is the deadline. This is the difficulty level. This is the status, uploaded or edited, shooting, like this one. And these are the checkbox. Sorry, I've done this one. These are the checkbox. Like this whole thing. First of all, the names. This is the video names, tags, deadlines, etc. These are the names for the tables. These are the values you are putting. For them, you are putting learning, you are putting the topics. For tags, you are putting which type of video. For deadline, you are putting this. And you can adjust all the property. You can even edit the property like this. Fully editable. This motion wala thing is up to your imagination. Like how much you can customize this, how much you can think about this. This is literally infinite, and you will get a lot of options. Like you can even short this thing with deadline. I want to create a ascending deadline. Okay, these are the ascending deadline, like first July, then August, then September, like this. Then you can remove this, you can delete shorting. You can filter also this. You can filter. Like I want to search by the names J. Yes, this is the JE wala video. Like this one. Like normally if you are studying computer science or you have already studied database management system in your class, this will be a bit easy for you. Okay, this is the complete one. This is the complete one. The more you will use this, the more you will get used to it. Okay, but you just explain that plus wala thing. But what is that 6 dots here? What is the 6 dot? These 6 dots are used to move your video anywhere in there, anywhere. Like this, anywhere. You can move it here, you just moved it. You can move it down here, anywhere. This whole thing, like for this is a block, J2025 block. I will move it to the down like this. Simple. And for undo, as usual, Control Z, you will get done. Like as I said, this is whole a vast thing. The only limitation is your imagination, how much you can imagine. And let me know in comments that if you have any doubts regarding this app. Like this is literally a complex app, but if you can really use it, you won't be needing this thing. Like obviously you will need this, but are 90% of the things, like I have to do this, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, वो थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि तुम आधा चीज ही तो यहाँ पर नोट करके रख रहे हो ना. That is why I say use the Notion app and skyrocket your productivity. See you in the next video. Dang. Oh, sorry. This house is a jungle. You gotta fight for your